Try to crawl to mommy. Oh, good burp. Crawl to mommy. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. You're so cute. Can you do it? I know you can. Good job. You almost got it. Come on. Come here. Good job. Good job, little man. Do it again. Do it again. You can do it. Good job. Good job. Do it again. You can do it. You're so strong. Good job. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Don't have to get crazy, don't have to bomb it down. It almost
Come on.
turns, I guess, about 80 degrees of dog leg on the third hole.
Almost.
At 15, so Mark saying back into a share of the lead at 11 under par.
Come on. Come to mommy. Come to mommy.
Rex Hoggard is here at Doral this week.
Come to mommy.
With his weekly cut line column, find out who made it.
Come on.
His cut. GolfChannel.com.
Come on. Here. Grab mommy's hand and pull. Come on. Come on.
Good look at Doral and the leaderboard.
Come on.
It was actually the vision of a gentleman by the name of Alfred Haskell. He was a developer.
Come on.
This was nothing more than a couple of thousand acres of
Come
swampland
on.
west of Miami. No roads leading here. It was actually dubbed Haskell's Folly. He combined his own name and his wife's for
All right.
Doris.
Say I love you, Daddy. Say I love you, Daddy.
Played 1962 with Billy Casper winning. And now to number 9.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.